In front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now, to add an audio file, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files section and hold your file right away over here. Look for it in one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. You can also tap on Audio Filter at the top. Now just hold your file and hit Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. To add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. Then tap on your video over here or select Gallery. Look for it here. I will take one real quick to make it faster. So now you can click on it over here and click on one of those options. Then select Add at the bottom right corner or go into Gallery as I previously said. Click on it over here and do exactly the same. Then hit Add at the top right corner. Lastly, you can choose Gallery. Then click on Folders. Look for your video the same way as an audio file. Hold it and hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!